Is the season of hospital deals, and sources tell CNBC TV18 that there's another one in the offing with the sale process for HCG hospitals being launched already. Nisha Poddar has the exclusive details. Nisha.
Yes, thanks for that. Yes, sources with direct knowledge have shared with CNBC TV18 that HCG hospitals, that's the popular name for HealthCare Global, which is, remember, promoted by private equity firm CVC Capital with over 60% stake. And now we gather from sources with direct knowledge, and at least 3 people have confirmed to this development that CVC Capital has hired an investment bank to launch the sale process of a controlling stake of a complete sale and exit from HCG hospitals is what we gather. Now, we do also hear that some of the interested suitors have been in talks with CVC Capital for their over 60% stake in HCG hospitals, and they could be KKR as well as Bering Asia and also Manipal Hospitals. Remember, the strategic player who has been trying to consolidate this industry and beef up and become bigger. And remember, for the private equity firms, this particular space, and especially a buyout, a control opportunity, is something which is very attractive. So these 3 players we hear are in the fray at the moment. Of course, more can join in now that investment banker has been hired for this particular sale process. When it comes to the ask price, remember that private equity players enter a company and look for the highest returns at the time of exit, looking at the flavor of hospitals being an attractive proposition and also the fact that they have a controlling majority in the company. They are looking at a huge premium. At least the ask price is over 4,000 crore rupees for 60% stake in the company. And we do gather that the company is in the process of beefing up its portfolio, is also buying out smaller assets in order to up its valuation game for the entire sale process and to also dress up the company for the sale process. I did also reach out to the company. It did decline to comment. It did not answer our comment on the deal dynamics. While Dr. Ajay Kumar, who is the promoter and holds a little over 10% stake, he, as per sources, is undecided on the sale process. But as the development happens on the sale, then he could be taking a decision. But we haven't heard from him in terms of any comment on this development. We reached out to KKR as well as Bering Asia and also Manipal Hospitals. None of them offered comment on this transaction, but it's expected to be a large deal and with a lot of interest, especially from the private equity firms, since it's a controlled stake sale.
Okay, all right, Nisha. Thanks very much for getting us that exclusive. So that's HealthCare Global. The stock is up around 3% and really it's been raining PE investments in the entire hospital space.